So guys, this is what we are to expect for the day on GBPJPY. Today's video is brought to you by Invest Social. Now, Invest Social is a community where you can share your market insights, market updates, and also market strategy. It is a community for analysts, developers, and also traders. It is also a community that has a section for crypto, stocks, commodities, indices, and forex. You can be part of this community by visiting investsocial.com. Starting with our trend, our prediction is still the same, which is a level of 216.160. That is the level we're expecting, market to actually tap 216.160 because we are anticipating for the bullish move. Now, guys, pay attention to this. On Tuesday, market did give us a bullish move. Little bit of a movement, by the way. It gave us little bit movement. Thursday also, market did give us a little bit movement. Wednesday also, market did give us a little bit movement. This Thursday, we are to expect the major move. So between Thursday and Friday, if market does not give us the major move this Thursday, I believe by Friday, market should be able to give us the major move that will eventually push market to a level of 216.160. So a bullish move is likely to play out on GBPJPY. Let's drop down to our 4-hour time frame right here, guys. So I believe this is a rejection zone right here. So market has been rejecting from this zone. I believe so that market should eventually push up this Thursday. So I believe there will be a bullish move this Thursday. And if it does not play out this Thursday, then by Friday, the bullish move will likely play out. So we should be anticipating for between 100 pips. So we should look to make or grab 100 pips on GBPJPY. So once again, a level of 216.160. If you find this video very helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and also visit investsocial.com to stay updated and connect with traders of like-minded people.